So this is my background layer and this is my text layer. Now I'm just cutting my text layer a little bit, and then I'm selecting the text layer and going to effect controls. Here, put display head at the beginning of your text layer and enable toggle animation for position. And then here we have to decrease this horizontal value to hide our text, just like this. And then move your playhead a little bit where you want to visible the sliding text effect. And then you have to make the text visible. So here I'm giving value 500 or 1000. Okay, now just select these two keyframes, right click any of the keyframes and hover over on temporal interpolation and select ease in. Now let's play our timeline. And here we can see the sliding text successfully created.